Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you all Keyfob features. In the beginning, the Keyfob can be used for, of course, locking and unlocking the car. Also, you can unlock boot only via this button. And next, you can turn on parking lights. If you press this button, you will use alarm. Press the button again after unlocking to disable this function. Now let's check if the car has global windows opening and closing. To check it, press and hold unlock button. And unfortunately, this car is not equipped with this feature. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.